Sad times, the Range Rover Classic is now going. So on Monday, someone called Conor won this car on Victri for £9.95. He actually bought 4 tickets, so he won it for 40 quid, but obviously 1 ticket is all it takes to win. So he won it for a tenner. So today I've got to clean it all up, get it ready for tomorrow because I've got to deliver it to him. He's actually in Newton Abbot, but it turns out he's even more local as he's only in where he works as a farmer. I won't say where he works actually because I don't want to expose where he works, but he's very local, he's a farmer. So we're going to get this all cleaned up for him, get it ready, and then we're going to drop it over to him tomorrow. So as you can see, if we come a bit closer, it's got a little bit of bird crap on it. It's covered in dust because it's just been set up, it's not been used other than the content we've been doing in it. Inside is fairly clean. Again, it's just stuff from where we had it at Winslade. It's still got the stuff from Winslade where we filled it up with balloons and done a little guess the balloon game where someone won a Bugatti Lego. I'll put some photos on the screen of who won the Bugatti Lego just so you can see that. But yeah, it doesn't need anything too crazy. It just needs to get rid of all this dust, get rid of the bird crap and get it all cleaned up. If we come in the back, I've bought some products on my car cleaning. That is very hot. I think I've got a fair bit of Valet Pro stuff and a fair bit of built amber. So the only thing we won't do is include my address, Darcy. So if you can make sure we don't show my address on the package, that'd be ideal. But we shouldn't anyway. So let's have a little look to see what we've got. So we've got Built Amber Auto Foam, Built Amber Surfex, which is the pre-wash and interior cleaner, Built Amber Bilberry Wheel Cleaner. We've got some cloths, got a lot of cloths. Sometimes they give you sweets, so we'll see if we've got any sweets. I'll make sure that's covered up so I don't end up exposing any addresses. So yeah, sad times. Range Rover Classic's going. It's been good. We've had it for a little while. Obviously, the first winner took the cash alternative because he had an L322 and he was buying a house. We've got Bilberry Car Wash. So we ended up re-raffling it. What's this? Tyre Shine. Jenny Chem Tyre Shine. So yeah, first winner took the cash alternative. So we re-raffled it off recently, but done slightly better odds. And then a local chap called Conor won it. So we just want to get it all cleaned up for him because he is taking the car. And then tomorrow we're going to get some winners photos, which will be in this video. Go and see his reaction and go from there. So as you can see, it's well overdue a clean after it being parked up. So let's crack on with a clean on what feels like the hottest day of the year so far. Right, majority of it is now cleaned. All I'm going to do to finish it off with is go around it with Polar Seal, which basically is going to keep it cleaner for longer. To be honest, I am going to hand polish it, so it don't really matter about this. It just makes drying it off a lot quicker and a lot easier, especially because it's hot. It's nothing worse than that, spending ages trying to dry it off. So basically I'm just going to send this on, we'll get it all dried off, we'll see what the paint's like, and then we'll work around a bit of hand polish, dress all the tyres, do all the windows, get all the back to black all shined up with the G-Technic trim restorer, and then we'll get the interior done and it's ready for Conor tomorrow. Stages are done, been given a little polish. Just want to try and get rid of some of them polish marks and some of the water marks, just because it is dripping from some of the areas. I'm using the Valet Pro Plastic Quick Detailer. You probably wouldn't have seen, or you might have seen if you follow me on socials, we're working with Valet Pro a bit with cars and cuppers. So they sponsored the Sunday showcase event, and we're going to hopefully try and do more with them over the next couple of months, especially with some more of the detailing related videos that we're doing for cars and cuppers, etc. So make sure you stay tuned to find out more what we're doing with Valet Pro. But yeah, let's get this Range Rover cleaned up, and then I'll probably start mine after, to be honest. But yeah, this one's ready for Conor anyway. Next up, we're proper going all out with this Range Rover. Just want to make sure it's looking really nice for Conor. So we've got some G-Technic C4 permanent trim restorer. I actually use this in my day-to-day most of the time, especially when I'm doing ceramic coatings. But stuff like this, it just brings up to a really nice finish. Like I say, I want to try and get it as nice as we can for him because it's a lovely car. And yeah, just some of this sort of stuff is looking a little bit dull, a little bit faded. So we'll do a little 50-50 on this and show you what sort of result that you can get using a trim restorer. So it's not just a competition site, are we? Also a little detailing tips and tricks 101 site as well, by the looks of it. But if we put some of this on, because what you find is with normal tyre and trim dressings, when it rains, it just washes off, and they're all silicone based, so it ends up leaving like a really shiny, smeary finish, which is all greasy and stuff, which is just not ideal in the slightest. So, but using this, the trick's in the name, it's a permanent trim restorer, and it will restore the trims permanently. So even if it rains, it's not going to wash this off, because this will obviously, ideal temperature conditions, you'd do this like now in a shaded area and probably indoors, but that is your finish compared to that. You see that on the camera? See the difference? That's before, that's after, and that's exactly how it will stay. So I'm going to do the rest of the trims, like the rest of the little bits and bobs, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Range Rover is now all cleaned up. We're just about to head off to Conor's work and take it to him. The only thing we need to do is fuel it, but as you can see, it's now looking lovely. So blitzed the interior last night, done all the outside, so that's all looking good, it's all good to go. The outside's looking mint, went around all this sort of stuff with the G-Technic permanent trim restorer, so that's all looking good. It's all been polished out, wheels been cleaned, arch is all looking good, so it should be good to go. So we're going to get some fuelage, and then we'll go and see what he thinks of it. Head out and take the Range Rover over to Conor. I'll show you a bit of a side quest. So we've got Sean here who's doing the airbags. So you come to do the ball joints last time, didn't you, Sean?
Yes.
And finally got round to ordering some Dunlop. I keep calling it airbags, they're not, are they?
Yeah, I call them airbags.
I keep getting slated for calling them airbags, but it's their suspension, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's all the same thing. So you're getting them all replaced front and rear, and then might potentially have a look at that battery drain issue, depending on how much of a nightmare it is.
Absolutely.
And then go from there. So this is the old there, and this is the new. So as you can see at the bottom, it's all completely perished. I'll probably keep that. It's got the genuine Land Rover logo on it, so I'm a bit autistic like that. Aren't we all? And then we'll do a port stop. Is the fuel station. We've just put £60 of fuel in to get him back to Newton Abbot. Hopefully that'll be enough in an old Range Rover. Obviously the fuel in these absolutely disappeared, so put a little bit of fuel in. We're going to fill it right up. It's just super expensive, so hopefully it'll be alright with 60 quid worth. Just pulling up to Conor's work, and we're about to deliver him the Range Rover. So let's go on in and see what he thinks. We're going to try and film as much as we can. I need to try and clean my mouth out a little bit because it's got rhubarb and custard sweet all in it. But yeah, let's go and find Conor and let's go see what he thinks. Felix is in front. No point cleaning it with this track, so that's going to get dirty as hell. Right, we've Get ready to jump on out. Park it here. Hello, mate. Oh, I do know who it is. I've seen him out meet before. Hello, mate. Alright. Well done. What a win. I know. We're just recording the whole lot, by the way. Is that right?
Yeah.
Sound. So, yeah, not bad for a tenner.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, have a little look around it, see what you think. It's going to get dusty as hell here, isn't it? Super dusty.
Yeah.
But it's mint, isn't it? How many tickets? You bought 4 tickets?
4 tickets.
Yeah, because you've been up to a couple of our events, haven't you, or not?
Yeah, I went to the Cotswolds.
You did, didn't you? Yeah, I thought you did. And what else have you done?
A few of the Dartmoor drives.
Yeah, I thought you have, yeah. Because you normally come up in a Range Rover, don't you?
Used to, yeah.
Get us on. Yeah, what, so did you buy the tickets? Yeah, you would have seen the Land Rovers of Devon stuff first and then bought the tickets through that.
Yeah.
Get on, ideal.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
perfect. Some win, isn't it? It's so cool. I spent the day cleaning it up a bit yesterday,
Yeah,
just so it was nice for you. So
Oh, well.
yeah, it's come out really well. But feel free to have a look around, it's all open on that. So
Thank you very much.
have a look inside. Have you always wanted the Classic, or
I've always seen them and always thought about it. But,
do you think you'll keep it?
I reckon so.
You reckon you are going to keep it? Yes, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, proper cool thing to win, isn't it?
Yeah.
Super cool. What Land Rovers have you got at the minute?
So I got 2 pre-Defender.
Yeah.
And then that 110.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That's sick. That's so cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, ideal. Yeah, some win.
Yeah, that's
Did you buy tickets on the first draw?
No.
No, it's just the second draw.
Just the second draw,
That's
yeah.
class. Yeah, unreal. What's that? Yeah, good job we put it back up, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Have you told all your mates about that yet?
I've started to.
It's so cool. Yeah, it looks mint like that to compare with that backdrop, doesn't it? It looks
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah, it looks really cool. Yeah, no, it's cool as. Got 60 quid of fuel in it, so hopefully that gets you back to Newton Abbott.
Oh, I do.
It is a V8 after all,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it might not last too long, so
Yeah.
depending on the way that you drive it. But let's get some winners photos and that, shall we?
Yep.
And we'll get a little video and stuff, and then, yeah, we'll send it to them. Yeah.
Lovely stuff.
Want to drive it? Want to take a little drive? Or? Drive it around. Darcy, should we jump in? Darcy, do you want to jump in the back? I'll take some out later. It's completely original, isn't it? It's mint. Yeah, it's completely original. I don't know if you know Tim Hammond, the Range Rover Classic guy. Yeah, so he's done a lot of the work like underneath it. So he's done like all the like the seals and the arches and all that stuff. So all that's like brand new.
Yeah.
So he's done a fair bit, and Malcolm, who we bought it off, he's done all the paintwork and that. So the paintwork's all like brand spanking new. It's mint. Sounds a bit different, isn't it?
I haven't had a petrol in a long time.
Really? Well, you're going to know about it when you've got to fuel it. Is it your first time playing with us? As a buying ticket?
did the L3
Yeah, you did. Yeah, fair. Give Felix a wave. Yeah, no, this is nicer than the L322 because it's one of them things that's going to be worth more.
Yeah.
Because you can just sit on it, can't you? And it will always be worth more than,
Yeah.
like, it'll always go up in value now. It's never going to really lose, is it?
No, they're coming more sought after now.
Yeah. Looking alright? Oh, Conor. So that is the handover now complete on the Range Rover Classic. Conor, what a win, mate. And we were just saying then, it's nice that it's gone to you, or someone like you who's obviously going to appreciate it for what it is, rather than someone just to get in it and bash it around. Obviously you're going to appreciate this. And it will still be on our Land Rovers of Devon drive outs, and it will come up to some meets soon. Obviously your first drive is probably going to be something like Exmouth, especially whilst the weather's like this.
Enjoy the sun.
But yeah, it'd be sad to see it go really, but at least we can still see it out and about. It's gone well done. Well, hopefully, you never know, might end up seeing you on another competition for something else, you never know. Obviously if you want to try and get a chance to win Range Rover Classics or some of our other comps, make sure you click the link down below which will be in the bio, and we'll see you guys and girls in the next video. Ciao.